So the new site is up and looking better than ever. I'll walk you through a little bit. I got my social media accounts right here. You can follow me on there. Contact me at this number right here. It's also at the top and the email. I raised the price on the CPN just a little bit. They're still cheaper than everybody I know. So $100 just for the number. 150 tri-merge. Come back to the trade line link in a minute. I'm doing credit repair, and that's going to be $4.99. Wiping your credit clean. We got our list of trade lines here. You got TD Bank, you got Citi, Barclays, Discover, American Express. The prices right here are not the prices you're going to get. They're going to be a cheaper price. It's just not been updated in a while, but I have a full list of trade lines. You can come look at them and shoot me what you want around the year and age, and we'll try to figure it out and find the trade line for you. And we can also arrange packages. You know how, and we can arrange packages. Say you want a CPN, tri-merge ready to go, and you need to add a 650 or 600 or higher. I can put it together like that. Or say you need a CPN, tri-merge ready to go, you want it at 700 or more. That can be also put together in the package at a set rate.